Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Charlie. I think I look quite weird because I was blowing my hair and it's suddenly off electric. Anyway, it's not the point. Today I'm going to unbox washable pad with you guys. So if you are not comfortable with menstrual pad, you can leave the video now. For female creation in this world, we do have menstrual cycle. So we do have period every month. For me, my period lasts for 5 days every time. So I personally changed the menstrual pad every suddenly changed to washable pad because I was inspired by YouTube video in the link below. What is washable pad? It is just literally menstrual pad made from clothes, meaning you have to wash it after you use. So one consideration before I purchased washable pad is I'm a super duper lazy person, so I was scared, like, am I really hardworking enough to wash it? We'll see how. I don't know. I never used this before, but I heard lots of good review from YouTube video, so I decided to try it out because it is environmental friendly, so we don't need to create so many rubbish for every period. Yeah. I'm going to unbox it now. I didn't buy a lot. I just bought some of it to try it out first because I never used it before. I also afraid I'm not used to it. Yeah. So I get 3 large size of the washable pad. So it is quite cute. I like the print. It is like this. And then a wet bag, which is when you go out and you change your pad, you can keep it in the small bag and then you can bring it back to your house and wash it. Then I bought 2 panty liner and 4 medium size of the menstrual pad. I like the print. The print is quite cute. Put it on your underwear like this, and then you buckle out the button like this, so it will keep in the place on your underwear. And then when you want to change it, you take it out and then fold it like this. And then you take it out, and then you take it out and fold it like this. It's like a square shape. Yeah, you can fold it into smaller size and keep in the wet bag. This is how it used. A review video of it after I use it, whether it is very convenient or it's very troublesome. Somehow it is environmental friendly, and I think disposable pad is not cheap also. So like, why not we try out this to save our environment?
OK 这是暴力耶！怎么你们猜到这么暴力？
哎，真的哎！我然后这样等下，哎，他骗我的。
这样没的啊？
可是也是要洗啊。哎，这样哦。可以啦，关。